Hey guys, welcome to the General Review Unit number 4. And today we will explore the most important sections. Starting with the food pyramid, we're going to divide the groups of food of countable and uncountable nouns, as you can see. And later, we will classify the different items between countable and uncountable. Here on the next chart, you can find out how you create the different forms for plural, as you can see the rules on the next chart. Normally we add the letter S at the end of the word, but we have also another spelling rule. If the word ends with any of these letters, we should add the ES at the end. Later, we will find out also the regulars and irregulars, plurals, as you can see. Man, men, woman, women, child, children, person, people, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. And one of the main characteristics for countable nouns are nouns we can count, a, one apple, two apples. In contrast, uncountable nouns are nouns we cannot count, such as water, but we can measure them. Like on the next example, we have doll, dolls, bus, buses, address, addresses, brush, brushes, watch, watches, fox, foxes, tomato, tomatoes, lady, ladies, toy, toys, left, leaves, knife, knives, child, children. Those are irregular plurals now. Woman, women, foot, feet, man, man, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. After classifying the items in uncountable or countable, we will find out the use of a and some, any, there is, there are. So now let's gonna explore the next chart. On the next chart, we find the use of there is and there are for countable and uncountable nouns. So as the first example, there is a banana, there are some apples. We're going to use the quantifiers, but look to the next part. Right here, we can find out that we use any for negative statements too, but also for making questions as well. Are there any apples for plural? But for singular, is there a banana? And later, on the uncountable nouns, there is some milk, there isn't any milk, is there any milk? So in this one, because it's uncountable, we can't put the form for as we have here a or an, because we cannot count. Also, you will find out different celebrations and festives, what kind of food is served. So here we have a couple of examples when we discuss about food from the world. Now we're going to land on the quantifiers. As you can see, there's a slight difference between each other, but sometimes we can use for either countable and uncountable. As you can see on the chart, the main difference are on many and much. Additionally, with few or little or isn't much or not many. The rest, they could be either for countable or uncountable. Then the next point is the supermarket, and we will check the different sections, such as the
Dairy section, meat and poultry section, beverages, baked goods, paper products, produce section, snacks, baking products, frozen goods, canned goods, household products.
Okay, so those are all the sections that normally are found in any supermarket. you have to describe the products and look where they are located, in which section. So here we have a couple of them. So you can find frozen vegetables in the frozen goods section. Toilet paper, you can find toilet paper in the paper products section. These are some of the products and you need to classify them and use the expression you can find and then locate them in different sections from the supermarket. Another important aspect is to give offers or expressing discounts. So here we have a couple of them. So buy one can of Heinz baked beans, get another one absolutely free. So let's gonna match them, all of them, and look to what section corresponds each. So we have here 1 off 2 pounds, so strawberry containers pound. And then we have today's special bone and pork loin chops. Also the vocabulary for currency. So we have here the bills and the coins. Asking for the prices and the total of the products that you get. Next to let's cook, the instructions of how to prepare food, how to do any dish. So here are mainly the main vocabulary.
Break,
Break,
beat,
beat,
strain,
strain,
add,
add,
stir,
stir,
chop,
chop,
grease,
grease,
pour,
pour,
mix,
mix,
grate,
grate,
slice,
slice,
peel.
peel. On this section, we practice the unit number 3, describing the events, what is happening on the moment. Susan is peeling a carrot with a vegetable peeler, so that's the name of the instrument. Kate is stirring sauce with a spoon. Then let's pick up here. George is pouring pasta into a strainer. And, well, that would be it for this section. Here in the vocabulary, we will work with the different type of cooking. We have
Cook,
cook,
boil,
boil,
bake,
bake,
fry,
fry,
roast,
roast,
grill.
grill. On this section, we describe how dishes are prepared. So we can bake a cake, we can boil, fry eggs, we can boil, bake, fry, grill fish, we can boil, bake pasta. So it is accompanied by the word can. And one of the last topics was the vocabulary for the different types of tastes of food. We have
bitter,
bitter,
creamy,
creamy, soft, smooth texture,
sour,
sour, sharp taste like lemon,
salty,
salty, tasting of salt,
hot,
hot, with a strong burning taste,
crunchy,
crunchy, pleasantly hard or crisp, making a noise when you eat it,
sweet,
sweet, containing a lot of sugar,
delicious,
delicious, very tasty. Additionally, the food description, soup, taste, or is creamy. So we work with the verb taste, also the verb to be, to describe the taste of food. Don't forget that part. So apples, chocolate muffins, and pineapples taste or are sweet. Next to how to check and analyze a menu, asking for prices, requesting, additionally asking for offers too, and finally for the total of your account. Later we practice the use of
Would you like a burger? Would you like a club sandwich?
Would you like a club sandwich? Remember that letter L, it's silent letter. You don't pronounce it. And
I'd like a tea.
I like tea, that's the contraction. Finally, on the next unit and one of the last, we discuss about the different places that we have in our city. For example,
Fast food restaurant.
Fast food restaurant.
Cafe.
Cafe.
Takeout restaurant.
Takeout restaurant.
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 Butcher shop.
Butcher shop.
Pastry store.
Pastry store.
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Delicatessen.
Delicatessen.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Fish market.
Fish market.
Ice cream parlor.
Ice cream parlor. And also, in which of these stores can you eat, drink, or order, buy Coke? You can drink a Coke at a fast food restaurant. We're using the preposition at because we are describing the exact place. So that's why we use here. You can buy bread at the bakery. You can eat ice cream at the ice cream parlor. And later, the preposition of place, such as across, between, on the corner, next to, behind, in front of, on the left, on the right. And looking to the map, we located the different places. And finally, the imperative, how to give directions, how to follow up signs. So on the next part, we identify different signs, and also we describe how to get to different places by using the next, asking for directions, phrases, giving directions. Where's the, how do I get to? Could you tell me how to get to? Excuse me, is, there, go up, go down, is on your left, is on your right, turn left, turn right, it's on the corner of, walk up, walk down, street, road, it's next to, it's near, opposite, between, it's across the street from. Okay. And that will be pretty much it for unit number 4, guys. I hope that this quick guide helps you in your next test. So see you around and have a good weekend.